Hello, this is Pat from Pine Lake Parts in Plainwell, Michigan. If you have any questions about this 1976 9.9 horse Johnson motor, you can give me a call, 269-347-0014. Doing a cold start on the motor. I started it earlier today, probably 6 hours ago. Good, I primed up the primer bulb, pulled out the choke, turned the tiller handle to start, make sure the motor's in neutral, and we should be good to go. Bringing it down to idle. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but I cycled the choke in and out a couple of times right when I first started it to get it to warm up. You just have to do that when you first start it. It's pretty normal. The water pump is right there. Bring the water out back. Very good power. Now I'm bringing it down to a low idle. Oh, took it a little too low. Once it's been started, don't choke it, just turn it to start. Nice running engine. New water pump impeller, 4-unit serviced. You can find it on pinelakeparts.com, or call me like I said, or maybe you'll find it out on eBay. Thank you.